Hey, this is our second update of our 24-gallon Aquapod Nano. We got a lot of new coral and equipment. Some of our coral that we got new is the brain, these 8 cans right here, and that 8 can over there. Pretty cool. Oh, that green mushroom too. Let's see what else. Those blue mushrooms right there next to the green ones, and orange, those orange looking zoas right there. That colony of polyps we got for free from Amazing Coral. And let's see, this colony of zoas here. And that's about it for the new corals. For the fish, we got 2 new pair of Maroon gold bar clownfish. Pretty cool. That's the female, and the male is a mist bar. He's pretty cool looking. We got some new equipment too. We got the Corellia or whatever, I don't know how to pronounce that, nano power head, and 26 LED retrofit kit with our old 40-watt PC light. The old PC light has a UV and a tinnic, so we kind of kept that for more coral growth. This is the LEDs here, just got wired up today. And the power compact. We also got the rainbow bubble tip anemone. Really small, so we kind of trying to get it a little bit bigger. We kept it separate from the clowns so that way the clowns don't kill it by trying to host it. And that's about it. Kind of changed up our aquascape a little bit because yeah, the anemone got back there and we had to remove it, so we kind of took down the rocks to get it out. We also bought this Xenia colony right here for $10. There's a better view of a clown, male clown. Trying to get into the video. The female has sand on her. It kind of gets all sandy playing in the sand. That's about it. I could show you, like, this is where we adjust the LEDs to make them brighter and lighter. I think this one is for the white and this one is for the blue. I'll turn them all the way down for you guys to see how they look like. This is with it all the way down, and this is it. This is the blue all the way up, all maxed out. Everything looks really cool, glow in the dark. Or it's actually too blue, it just looks all blue in the video, but in real life it looks pretty cool. And then with the whites all the way up, this is how it looks. Both of them all the way up. Really too bright for the tank, so you gotta kind of turn it down so it doesn't bleach the coral. But it looks pretty good. Turn it down. Yep, that's about it for our second video update.